Hey guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, this is going to be a very interesting video and I'm so excited for this one. A while back I went to a Sangeet ceremony and I posted this picture on my Instagram and instantly I got so many compliments from you guys and you were asking me from where I have bought this suit. And I could not share it with you guys just then because I had a whole video planned for this. So if you want to know how I created this outfit, keep on watching this video. But before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Now let's get into the video. Girls, we can all relate to this. We all know the struggle कि हमें ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट साल में 3-4 बार पहनना होता है जब कोई शादी हो, संगीत हो या कोई फॉर्मल पार्टी हो. But these traditional outfits are very expensive. But this time I thought instead of purchasing an entire new outfit, why shouldn't I recycle something old? If you guys have watched my ethnic transformation video, you guys must remember that my mom has an amazing collection of sarees. And I think कि सबकी मम्मियों के पास एक साड़ी का amazing collection होता ही है. उसी collection में कुछ ऐसी भी साड़ियाँ होती है जो काफी टाइम से हमने नहीं पहनी होती. And in future also we don't plan to use it as much. Instead of just keeping those old sarees in your wardrobe, you can just transform them into completely new outfits to give them a new look and a new purpose. Now I decided to transform an old sari into something very trendy and I decided to go for a sharara. Now shararas are back in trend. Now in the market, if you go for purchasing a new sharara suit, you cannot get it in less than 5 or 6,000 rupees, which is a lot of money and it is very expensive. So using the fabric from an old sari and giving it a completely new look was a great idea. But before that, I had to decide which sari to go for. Okay, so I was going through my mom's wardrobe and I have selected a few of the sarees which I think will look good after being transformed as a suit. And let me show you the mess that I have created. This is the aftermath, but I think I'm gonna go with this sari. And I'll quickly wrap the sari around me and show you guys how beautiful this sari is before actually transforming it. The sari that I selected had Lucknowi work all over. The fabric was so beautiful and I really loved the color too. It was very simple yet it was an outstanding piece. Choosing the correct sari and what kind of fabric you are going for is very important. It is not necessary that you can only make a sharara from a sari. You can make gowns, you can make suits, or you can even make lehengas. Just go for the right kind of fabric for your outfit and you need to be very clear about what you want in your outfit. You can take inspiration from various platforms or you can just use your own creative ideas. This is the part where you can use your own creative imagination of how you actually want to transform your old sari. The next step is to head to a boutique or a tailor who you can trust and who you think can make your vision into reality. It is very important to go to a right person for this job, otherwise ना तो आपका outfit बनेगा और आपकी साड़ी भी खराब हो जाएगी. I went to a boutique and explained what I wanted in my outfit. I shared some of my ideas and I shared some of my inspiration pictures. They took my measurement and they also gave their input, and finally after a week I got just what I wanted. So this is the final outfit. You can see how beautifully they have placed all the Lucknowi work in a symmetrical manner all over. The stitching is so important because it should not look shabby. It should be done in such a way that other people cannot make out that it is actually made out of a sari. The cullies of the sharara looked beautiful and I loved the end result. So the overall stitching of the suit cost me 2,000 rupees, which is much affordable than actually purchasing an entire new outfit. I added a dupatta to complete the look, and yeah, here is my old sari transformed into a beautiful and trendy outfit. So that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you're going to transform your old sarees into something new, don't forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!